Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Data science is a rapidly evolving field that involves extracting meaningful insights from large and complex data sets. Python has become the go-to programming language for data scientists due to its simplicity, versatility, and the abundance of powerful libraries. In this tutorial, we will explore some essential Python libraries for data science and provide code examples to showcase their capabilities. Description: NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Code example. Description: Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. It introduces two main data structures, series and dataframe, which make handling and analyzing structured data seamless. Code example. Description: Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that produces high-quality visualizations. It provides a wide variety of plots and customization options to represent data effectively. Code example. Description: Seaborn is a statistical data visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. It simplifies the creation of informative and attractive statistical graphics. Code example. Description: Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that provides simple and efficient tools for data analysis and modeling. It includes various algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. Code example. These are just a few examples of the numerous Python libraries available for data science. Combining these libraries allows for a powerful and comprehensive approach to data analysis and machine learning. As you delve deeper into the field, you'll discover additional libraries and tools that cater to specific needs and challenges in the world of data science. Happy coding! ChatGPT